Go.
Okay, so we've covered manual dispensing, handheld spray. We're going to go into a little bit more of a specialty application now. This is what we call our flex hose spray unit. If you look down here, again, everything is very similar in the way it operates. Again, 2 push rods pushing the cartridge. The cylinder and some of the pneumatics are inside this box. Again, we have the forward and reverse switch that we discussed on the pneumatic spray. So forward to push paint, reverse to retract and pull the cartridge out. Right now it's in the forward position. And it comes through about a 12-foot whip line to a conventional handpiece on the end here. We have 2 handpieces. I'll show this one and we'll discuss the other one. We started with the first one, which is more of a wand style handpiece, but then we found that a lot of people prefer the traditional hand style. So this is typically what gets sold, but the wand definitely gives you some other opportunities to get to some trouble areas. Again, same technology through the end, through the static mixer, at the spray tip, atomizing, and here you have all your pneumatics working back to there. The trigger on the gun is going to drive the material forward, sends a signal back to the drive, push the material forward, and your atomization switch is here, just like on the pneumatic gun. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. And we've got about a 12-foot whip line, so if you got to get into some tight areas, you're in a tank, you can leave this unit behind you outside the tank. Another option is this unit does come with standard heavy-duty rubber, steel reinforced rubber feet there. That can be mounted on a wall. It could also be set on the ground as we have it here. It also comes with 135-pound magnets for each corner. So if you wanted to go into a tank and stick this to the wall, you can do that as well. Also nice in a tank is that it'll stick to the floor. It's not going to easily get kicked around. So here we go. So we just set our atomization. Once we're all set here, we trigger the paint, and we should be spraying. There we go. You get down in here in tighter areas like this. You gotta reach something, you gotta get something. Now you can do this. You can also attach, we mentioned the 90-degree spray tip. You can also swap this tip out with the 90-degree spray tip and to allow you to get deeper into tougher beach areas. So that's the flex hose unit. I mentioned the other hand piece, which is here. So this is a wand style, made out of machined aluminum. All the pneumatics are internal here, and all the hoses are color coded, so very easy to hook up and swap out. And what this does is now this gives you, if you really got to get in somewhere tight, maybe into some rat holes or something like that, this gives you that opportunity. So that's the flex unit.